So in today's video, I'm going to show you some transcription jobs as well as different companies that are offering such positions. I also want to show you how you can make more money with this method on your own, but you will have to watch this whole video all the way until the end to learn how. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Alright, so let's get into it. Before I show you these different transcription jobs, be sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendation for making money online as a complete beginner. It's my top recommendation as it's been one of the main ways I've been able to make money online and be able to quit my job. So a few of these transcription companies will pay you per audio minute, meaning that they might pay you to transcribe a 10-minute audio file, or you will get paid by them for 10 minutes of audio no matter how long it takes you to complete the task. In other words, you aren't actually getting paid for every minute of work you do. So the companies I will be showing you today are some of the best, even for complete beginners. So the way in which you will be able to make the most amount of money with this method will be by having good practice and the proper skills. So the faster you are, the better results you'll achieve, allowing you to get more jobs. The websites I'll be showing you will be for complete beginners, but like I said, you will want to have built up your skills first before you can start earning good money. I'm also going to show you some free tools and trainings you can use so you can work quicker and earn more money. So the first website we will be looking at in today's video is rev.com. So what I want you to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page where it says Become a Freelancer and click on it. So here it will show two options of either becoming a transcriptionist or a captioner. The pay scale for transcriptionists indicates that they might make between 30 cents and $1.10 every audio or video minute. Then, if you choose to become a captioner, you will be required to view a video, precisely type what is stated in it, come up with inventive ways to transmit noises, and match typed audio with video. And for the option for audio/video minutes, they range from 54 cents to $1.10. And if you are fluent in another language, then you are in luck because you can get paid even more as a foreign language subtitler. As it states right here, you can get paid between $1.50 to $3 for each audio or video minute. So these are the options you have on rev.com. It's a fantastic website that I strongly encourage for you to check out. So for the second website we will cover in this video is transcribeme.com. This website is slightly different from rev.com because they function by taking a whole audio file that could be like an hour long and divide it up into a couple of minutes. They will then take those divided clips and distribute that work to several different freelancers. It's likely that they will receive projects lasting between 1 to 2 minutes long. The payment is $15 to $22 per audio hour, but as mentioned previously, you are getting 1 to 2 minute clips that you are to transcribe. This website is available to anyone around the world. Experience isn't required, and they will pay you via PayPal, so you will have to own a PayPal account for this, which is completely free. So to create your own free account, you just have to click this button that says Get Started. Then click the same button again right here and just fill in your personal information. So enter your first and last name, email address, and password before checking the box that reads, "By registering for Transcribe Me, you agree to our terms of service and privacy policy." Now you have your new Transcribe Me account. After you've created your account, you can click on Jobs right here. That will take you to this page where it says that they have the greatest rates in the industry with top monthly earnings of $2,200 and earnings each audio hour ranging from $15 to $22. Transcribe Me is also a firm believer in growing and learning. They want to focus on promoting people within. They offer career advancement opportunities, allowing you to advance into more lucrative jobs and projects and increase your skills. They also offer a very steady work stream and provide regular payouts to their workers. It costs absolutely nothing to join, and all you need is a computer and Wi-Fi. Transcribe Me is also very flexible. You are able to work from the comfort of your own home whenever you want and how much you want. So that is transcribeme.com. Now the next website we will take a look at is gotranscript.com. This website is is accessible to anyone around the world, and you won't need any experience to join. You will also get paid on a weekly basis through either PayPal or Payoneer. So to become a transcriptionist for Go Transcriptionist, you just have to scroll to the bottom where it says For Transcriptionists and click where it says Work. After clicking that, it will redirect you to this page that will say Transcription Jobs Available Worldwide. Below that, it will say they pay competitive rates for our online transcription jobs. You can earn up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. Their average earnings per month is $150, and their top monthly earnings is $1,215. So this is another great option for a beginner to pursue and use. So to create your account and start working for this website, just click on Apply Now and create your account. So that's gotranscript.com. Another website you can use is castingwords.com. This website also doesn't require any experience to get started, and they will pay you just over $1 per audio minute plus bonuses that depend on your work grade. It's very much bonus based and is available worldwide. They will pay you on a weekly basis via PayPal. This next website is called Crowdsurf, and you can expect to get paid 3 cents to 20 cents per audio or video minute that will also come with added bonus rates. You can get paid through their work market and then be able to withdraw your funds via your bank account, PayPal, or Visa card. At the top, it shows 2 options for how you can get started. You can choose either USA/Canada or international. So that's crowdsurf.com. Now the next website is called tigerfish.com. No experience is required. However, only US residents are allowed to apply and work on this website. The way that Tigerfish functions is that you will get paid per word you type. So if you are a fast typer, you can earn a lot of money. So let's say you type 50 words per minute. That means you can earn $15 per hour. That's not bad at all. So that's tigerfish.com. This website is also great for complete beginners. It's called waywithwords.net. You can expect to get paid between 45 cents and $1.73 per audio minute. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can click on where it says Become a Transcriber, which will take you to the sign up page. This site is compatible with complete beginners, but you will have to know English in order to use this website. Now the next site is called dailytranscription.com, and it's only available to people who live in the US or Canada. You will get paid 75 cents to 85 cents per audio minute. Any previous experience won't be required, but you will have to be able to type at least 50 words per minute. This website also works with several big clients. Okay, so now I want to show you how you can get free training to become a better and faster typer. Before I show you how to get this free training, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendation when it comes to making money online for complete beginners. I want you to go to this website called udemy.com. This is a learning platform with several different courses that don't cost much and are offered in a variety of different categories. Udemy does offer transcription courses that do cost between $10 to $15 if you do want to invest in a course to improve your skills. But I recently discovered a free course on this website that you can take. So what you need to do to access this free course is just type in transcription in the search bar and click search. They will then show you all of the different transcription courses you can take. So if you are very serious about becoming a transcriptionist, you can pay for one of these courses. But if you don't want to have to pay for a course, you can head over to where it says price and click the box that says free. After you click on free, it will show you several different free courses related to transcription. I want you to click on the course that says how to transcribe and excel in general transcription. This course is a transcription course that is for both beginners and experts. The course includes 8 different lectures and is 1 hour long in total. It also has 4.5 out of 5 stars with thousands of reviews, which is a great sign that this is a quality course to help you out with improving your transcription skills. You can also head over to YouTube to find videos or tutorials of people teaching you how to become a better transcriptionist. Another great resource or tool is a website called listenandwrite.com. The website includes several different articles, tips, and resources, as well as transcription tests that you can practice with, like this one right here, for example. It shows how long the test is right here. This is a great website for you to use so you can test your skills and see where your skill level is at. Another helpful tool I'd like to show you if you consider yourself to not be the best with your grammar is a website called grammarly.com. It will help you with spell checks and grammar mistakes and things related to that. This ensures that you are spelling everything correctly, and it's completely free. It's a Chrome extension, so all you have to do is download it to your computer. So that's grammarly.com. Another very helpful tool is Google Docs. When you use Google Docs, you're able to use voice typing, meaning that you are able to speak the words and Google will write what you speak down in the Google Doc. It's not always 100% accurate, so you will want to check back on it every now and then to make some edits. But it really speeds up the process and is a great extra tool to help you out. So these are all great beginner-friendly websites that you can use to get started with. And since they pay you based on your quality, it's important that you practice and train yourself if you are actually serious about this. Another site I want to mention is Upwork.com. There are many transcriptionists on here that charge their own rate. So if I just type in transcriptionist, you will see all these different transcriptionists. You can check out a website called Fiverr as well that is also a freelance website where people can promote themselves as transcriptionists. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.